Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Xiaomi 17. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle Bluetooth off and on in these settings. So let's toggle this off and toggle this on. Now what you guys want to do here is go over and unpair and to repair this same device in these settings. So if your headphones are paired, as you guys can see, I do not have any device paired right now, but I'm gonna quickly pair the headphones. So I'm gonna pair my AirPods right here. Let's click pair. And as you guys can see, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna unpair them by clicking on this arrow, clicking on pair, and now they are gone. Of course, we can try and pair them again right here, but this will be rejected because we need to close the case and open it again. So now, as you guys can see, let's click refresh, and now let's click on the AirPods. Let's click pair. Oops. And as you guys can see, we got them in. So what you guys want to do here is, if your headphones are still not pairing or the Bluetooth is just not connecting to anything, restart the phone and the Bluetooth device. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now swipe down to reboot, and for AirPods, all you guys have to simply do is close the case and open it again. This is a quick restart, and now let's wait for the phone to turn back on. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is update your software to fix any connectivity glitches. So we're gonna go over to the settings, and now if you got something like a Bluetooth version update, of course you can update it right here. As you guys can see, it added support for more earphone models, for an example, and now it's updating. So of course you need to restart your phone, so I'll do it later. And now we're gonna go to about phone, tap on Xiaomi HyperOS, and here, if you got some updates available, I do not, then make sure to update. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software, because you don't want to be roaming around with old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.